Good morning, students. Today I'm going to start with the software MS Word, document processing software. Now, first of all, I'm going to tell you what are the features of MS Word. MS Word helps to create a professional looking documents with different themes, visual designs, formatting tools, and sharing features. It can also help to create and edit personal and business documents, including letters, invoices, emails, and books. We can generate business reports having various graphics, including pictures, charts, and diagrams, design cover pages, letterheads, etc. Make documents like preparing CVs or invitation cards. Then also we can create a wide range of documents varying from simple office memo to legal copies and reference documents. Now, the first thing, how do we start MS Word? First we go to Start, All Programs, then we'll go to MS Office, Microsoft MS Office, and then under the MS Office components we can find all the related components starting from Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Access, etc. So we'll click on the option MS Office Word 2007. Why 2007? Because I have 2007 installed in my machine. You can also work similarly on 2010 or 2013, whichever is loaded in your machine. Only few differences are there, not much of very difference. You can just go by the main steps. So first we start with File, New. So when we come to New, we get to see a blank document. So after you click on blank document, you just click on the Create button. So a Microsoft document window will open first. Here, as because two document windows are already opened, my new document name is document 3. I give a name to my document as, I'll click on Word 97 2003 document, means it is a compatible format. So I'll click on this and then give a file name. File name I would like to give as MS Word and choose the save as type as Word 97-2003 format. So it will be chosen as that. Then I will select the folder name. My folder name is D drive. Always try not to save your document in the system drive, that is your C drive. Try to store your documents, Word, presentations, everything in some other folder other than your system drive. So I choose D drive. There I have already created a folder as BCom 3rd semester. There I am going to choose MS Word _1. I have chosen the file name. Save as type is Word 97-2003 compatible format. Then I click on Save. It cannot allow because I already had pre-created it, so I'll just click on OK. So my document is already there, so I am not repeatedly again clicking on this. So I already have the same file name, so it has not allowed me. So even if you have a same file name and you have to do it on this another file, either you give a different name or you have to replace the old file. So here I have written some 1 or 2 lines as a part of the text to show you the sample working of the document. Now we have different tabs here. First is the Home tab. Under the Home tab, first ribbon type is Font, where we have the different styles of font. Now here I had chosen, already pre-chosen is Times New Roman. So I want to change this. If I have to change this, I will just select the text, go to the font style drop down list. Here I will choose, suppose if I want to choose Arial, I click on Arial. From the font size I can select my own size. If I want to click on 12, it will be 12 size. I have created 14, so it will be a little bigger font. So I have clicked on 14. So this is my Arial style with font size 14. Now I want to click on the first word and make it bold. Bold means it's little strong than the other letters. So I click on bold, it becomes little highlighted. Now same thing, if I want to make certain characters as italic, suppose the first letter of the features I choose as italic, I select that, click on the I tab to make it formatting as italics. For D, again I choose as I, so make it italic. So like this, whichever character or word you want to make it italic, you just select it, click on the italic. So the entire word is now italic. Suppose if I want to make something as underline, so what I do, I again select two words here, click on U, so it becomes underlined. So these are the various types of how I want the font or the character should be. Now suppose I want to color some of my font. Like suppose I want the first word to get it colored. I go to the font color window, drop down list, there I choose a particular color, suppose red. I click on the red and this word has become red color. Now if I want to fill the background of, I want to highlight my text, what I do, I select, click on this and click on that highlighting background as yellow, so it becomes yellow. So this is highlighting text. Now I have carried out few operations. In every working, whenever you are working with any software, any programming, try to remember that you must keep on saving your work after 2-3 operations. So now I have done a lot of things. Mouse has moved a number of times while typing, while creating, selecting. So all this has to be saved. So I go to this button called save. You can also press Ctrl+S. That will also help you to do saving your document. Now this is the home button. Now let me come to the paragraph option. In paragraph option, there are many features. Suppose I want to write something to show you how the bullet works. Now here I want to write create and edit personal and business documents, including letters, invoices, emails and books. Now let me go and again click the save button because I've written 2 lines. Now I want these to be given some symbol before it starts. So what I do is I bring the cursor at the beginning of this, go to this option bullet, and I can choose a particular style of my bullet. Again I come here, again I select. So this has become a bulleted symbol for me. So this is how I prepared the bullet. Now certain things I want. Now features of MS Word. Now this is already shown as red color font. I want to change this. I'll just go here, select it, click on the font color, click on automatic. Now I want this to be underlined, so I just click on this U underline and get it underlined. Now I want this particular phrase, features of MS Word, to come in between, in the center of the document. So this is my document. So what I do is I go to this and select it. Here different alignments are given. This is the left, this is center, this is right, this is justify. Justify, I'll show it to you later. First let me show you the center. So as I click on center, it figures out exactly what should be the center of this particular document based on the margins provided. This margins I will tell you later on. Based on these margins on both the sides, it has made this text as center. Now suppose if I wanted to make it right, I'll click on right alignment. But you see, a document needs to be prepared how it should look meaningful and attractive. So right clicking and making it right aligned in this case doesn't look good, either center or left. So I wish to make it center, so I click on the center alignment button. Now these lines I want to make it justified. Justified means it will share the space and justify according to the width of the document. So let me do it first. I'll just select it, click on justify. See, it just divides the spaces accordingly and justifies according to the width of the document. Similarly, you can do it for the entire document and make it justified. So for this also I can make it justified. I just click on this and click on justify. So according to the width, it divides the words into and fits it according to the width of the document. So this is called justification. Now suppose I want to, these are the red color which appears, this can be ignored, this will not come in my print when I print this document. You can ignore, or you can just shift little bit, that means it is expecting some space, that is why it is showing red color. So you just give a space and this red mark will go off. Now let us see here. So we had learned how to create a new document, how to do save, how to do save as. Now print option, there are few options here. Print, quick print, print view. Just because we don't have a printer connected, I am not showing the print option, but the print option is here. Print, when you click, it gives it, as in the last part I will show you how it works. The printer setup option, I will show it to you. Now here it is send, where do you want to send, that option. Publish means if you want to publish at some other workspace or other mode, that is the option for publishing. And close means when you want to close the document. Now let's come to the next tab. The next tab is the insert tab. So before going to the details of the insert tab, now let me come here. These are the various styles of using characters. Now if I want heading for a particular heading, this style if I choose, it will be of this style. If I choose this, this will be applied like this. So these are the various title and heading styles which is given. The particular mode you choose, accordingly your text or your title will be styled in that manner. And if you want to change the style, you can choose from here and change it. Now the thing is, all these options are under the home tab itself. So we have done just the outline of the home tab, because there are many more options here. Slowly while working inside it, I'll just find it out how we can move with it and then carry on and show it to you. So next tab we are going to deal is with our insert tab.